My country people, now welcome to my channel. Nigerian Romanian broadcaster and radio talk show host wey dey call Ifedayo Olarinde aka Daddy Freeze, im don come out come call out fake pastors wey prophesy concerning dis our election wey just finish. So make I read wetin im talk for una. So im come out for a page come say, "Dear Nigerian pastors, can we now agree that a majority of you do not hear shishi from any god?" If you notice for the write-up, you go see say the G for the god na small letter, which means him dey refer to idol gods. Yes, he can't continue, he can't say, "Let alone the true God, this election is living proof." So under this he write-up, him come quote Bible join, come still give illustration in case we no get wetin him dey talk. So him come say, "Thank your village stars that we do not live in the era that these scriptures were written. Una for hear win Deuteronomy 18." Him come say na for New International Version. That be the version of the Bible where him get am from. So him come say, "But a prophet who presumes to speak in my name anything I have not commanded, or a prophet who speaks in the name of other gods is to be put to death." Myself that comedian. Then verse 21 of that same Deuteronomy 18, in can say, "You may say to yourselves, how can we know when a message has not been spoken by the Lord?" Verse 22, he say, "If what a prophet proclaims in the name of the Lord does not take place or come true, that is a message the Lord has not spoken. That prophet has spoken presumptuously, so do not be alarmed." Well, we get so many fake prophets, na true be that. But e no mean to say prophecies no dey come to pass. Fine o, most of all the pastors wey come and come talk about this election, all the thing wey they talk, e no really come to pass o. So na make Daddy Freeze dey come out, dey call all of the fake. Dey come out with the full chest, so dey mock them, dey laugh them, say na fake. If you notice for this our country, Nigeria, we no dey use religion joke. Anything wey pastor just tell us like this, we no wan know whether na fake or na real o. Anything wey pastor just tell us like this, fear na once we dey accept am. So Daddy Freeze na don come out come give us example, say una don see the election, say all the things wey be say all these pastors talk, none of them come to pass. So make we see how people take react to this reaction. The first person here say, "Are you supporting electoral fraud? Is this your own definition of win for someone that preaches doing the right thing?" Another person come talk say, "Religion is the main scam in Nigeria." Another person come tag am, "At Daddy Freeze, me, I believe in the living God. With due respect, sir, was this winning legal? And was the elections not rigged in our own very eyes? Abi eyes dey pain me ni?" Daddy Freeze come reply and say, "Whether legal or illegal, dem no go see shingbai." Another person come to say, "Oga, kindly pin this comment. In all amount of peaceful nature, through legal means, Obi will get his mandate back." Daddy Freeze come reply the fan say, "Pinned comment are 50k. Should I send account details?" The truth be say, just because say this the prophecy wey be say most of the pastors talk about this election no work, e no mean to say people no get real pastors wey dey prophesy and their prophecy dey come to pass. And I make they always advise us, say make everybody dey try to dey hold God tight, so that you go fit differentiate between the scam pastor and the one wey be say be real. This one wey Daddy Freeze dey come out, dey come laugh, so Nigerians no find that thing wey he talk funny at all, because all our mentality for this country na religion. E get some kind things wey we need to dey look well. everything no gas to do with religion. E get some kind thing wey be say the clear eye need to see reason am. So na wetin Daddy Freeze dey explain to for everybody. So no be say he no dey talk say he no believe in prophecy. He just dey say make we know, make we learn to know the one wey be say be the right one and the one wey be say be the fake prophecy. Una stay care, una bye.